In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a QuickBooks backup file. Whether you're switching computers, recovering from a hardware failure, or just looking to undo recent changes, this guide will help you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First off, navigate to the QuickBooks website. This is your starting point. On the top right corner of the home page, you'll notice a sign in button. This is pretty straightforward. Click on it to proceed. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. These are essentially your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure that you enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. Following your sign-in, you might be asked to verify your identity. This is a critical step to protect your account. QuickBooks offers various verification methods, so choose the one that suits you best. It might involve receiving a code via email or phone, which you'll then need to enter on the website. Once you're successfully logged in and your identity is verified, it's time to head over to the Settings. On the QuickBooks interface, you'll find the Settings option. This is where you can customize and manage your account details, but more importantly, where we begin the process of restoring your backup file. Within Settings, look for an option labeled Import Data. This feature is crucial for our task today as it allows you to bring data into your QuickBooks account. Clicking on Import Data will bring up different options for the types of data you can import. Here, you need to select the specific type you wish to restore. QuickBooks supports various data types, so ensure you choose the correct type that matches your backup file. Now, a very important reminder, before proceeding, make sure you have the backup file saved on your computer. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's easy to overlook. The backup file is essential for the restoration process, so having it ready on your device is a must. Next, you'll be directed to browse the file from your computer. This is where you navigate through your computer's storage to locate the backup file you've prepared. Once you've found the file, select it and confirm your choice. Be patient and take your time to ensure you've selected the correct file. This will save you from potential headaches later on. After you've selected your backup file, the next step is to click Continue. Now, this part of the process is largely straightforward but crucial. You'll be guided through a few final steps to complete the restoration process. These steps will vary slightly depending on the type of data you're restoring, but generally they involve reviewing the import details and confirming your selection. It's essential to follow through these steps carefully. QuickBooks does an excellent job of guiding you through the process, but paying close attention will ensure that your data is restored correctly and without glitches. Once you've proceeded to the end and followed all prompts, your backup file will be successfully restored to your QuickBooks account. Restoring a backup file in QuickBooks can seem daunting at first, especially if you're doing it for the first time. However, with these detailed steps, I hope you find the process more straightforward and less intimidating. Remember, the key to a smooth restoration process is preparation, having your backup file ready and being careful as you follow through the steps. Whether you're looking to recover crucial financial data or just want to roll back some changes, restoring a backup file in QuickBooks is a powerful feature that can help you maintain continuity in your business or personal finances. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in your ability to restore a QuickBooks backup file. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful guides and tips. Happy accounting!